In most Asian cuisines, we eat the skin of the chicken, especially when it is crispy, because it is very tasty. I'm going to show you how to easily make the honey garlic chicken by keeping the skin. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. Remove the bone from the thighs and keep the skin. Season them with half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of ground pepper. Crush 5 cloves of garlic and chop them. Cover each piece of chicken with wheat flour. It will create a protective crust. Cook them in a frying pan with 1 cm of oil. First, put the skin side against the pan. Cook over medium heat for 10 minutes. By losing the fat it contains, the skin dries out and becomes crispy. Flip them and leave another 2 minutes. The chicken pieces are golden, take them out and put them on a rack. Remove the oil. Keep about 2 tablespoons. Turn on low heat. Put the chopped garlic. Briefly stir. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Briefly stir. Put the chicken pieces back. Often flip them. The honey caramelizes and add the garlic sticks. It takes less than 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Quickly baste the pieces on both sides with the sauce. Remove them. You can cook 2 zucchini cut into pieces in the same pan, adding just 1 pinch of salt. Stir for 3 minutes on high heat. So we have a complete dish: garlic and honey chicken with vegetables and rice. Bon appétit! In Japan, karaage is another recipe where you keep the skin of the chicken. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.